In a world where financial dreams seem out of reach, there is a place where possibilities become realities. Welcome to Transnational Times Dt Saccoo, your trusted partner in financial growth and stability. At Transnational Times Dt Saccoo, we are not just a financial institution, we are a family. Whether you are looking to secure a loan for that long-awaited project or save for a brighter future, we've got you covered. It is not just about numbers. We believe in empowering our members through knowledge. With our state-of-the-art mobile banking, managing your finances has never been more convenient. Here at Transnational Times Dt Saccoo, we believe in giving back and therefore actively contribute to the betterment of our communities. Join us today and experience the difference of being part of Transnational Times Dt Saccoo.
My name is George Malava. I'm currently the CEO of Tnt Saccoo, that is a Transnational Times Sacco. We are situated in Trans Nzoia with the head office in Kitale and 3 branches and 1 marketing office in Lodwar. Basically, we deal with the savings and credit. That is our business as a cooperative, and we encourage members to join so that they can save.
My name is Evans Wanyonyi Sichangi, the current chairman, Transnational Times Saccoo Society Limited. I became the chairman in the year 2021. I took over from Robert Omari. Sometimes I served on this board as the chairman supervisory committee, having come from Kwanza, that's where I represent. And I want to take this opportunity to congratulate our members for the support they've been giving us by patronizing the organization. You move to places and you meet members, and our members are talking so well about the organization, and that is a plus to our membership.
Sasa kile kitu ningeambia teachers wale wameretire, wale hawajajui, wale ambao mishahara zao zinapitia kwa other banks, waingie Trans Nzoia National Sacco hii, kwa sababu hata mimi nikikaa hapa naonanga tu alert inakuja kwa simu, we have credited, your account has been credited with the pension. Sasa nasema asante, na mimi natoa hapo, naweka kwa simu, naenda pale kwa M-Pesa, natoa pesa. Sasa technology imekuwa advanced sana, wale hata hawa naweza sema hata hawa hawkers wale wameingia pale tena, wakichukua loan wana apply tu through their phones, wanapata loan through hiyo. Sasa wale ambao hawajajoin, kujeni mjoin, muone utamu wa nini wa Trans Nzoia teachers, kwa sababu hapo utapata loan. Technology imekuja, unapata tu kitu kama umekaa, you don't need to walk there. Zamani ndio tulikuwa tunatembea tunapiga line, lakini saa hizi mimi line hapana. Hata nikitaka loan si na apply through the telephone.
Kwa majina naitwa Fredrika Simiyu. Mimi ni member kwa Tnt Saccoo. Nilijiunga na Tnt 2020. Hiyo Saccoo imenifurahisha sana. Huwa nachukua mkopo nikifunzia watoto wangu, na tena pia naekeza huko pesa. Kila mwezi huwa naekeza huko pesa, na tena pia kuna wakati natupatia dividends. Naimiza wenzangu wajiunge na Tnt Saccoo. Hiyo Saccoo ni mzuri sana. Hata ukiingia huko, wakati unataka loan unapewa tu anytime ukitaka. Aswa mimi huwa naenda kama leo na napewa tu siku yenyewe, kwa sababu ya kuwekeza kwangu vile nimewekeza huko.
Transnational Times Dt Saccoo, tujitegemee kiuchumi. Human beings have always worked together in order for them to achieve their goals. History is marked with great victories whenever people come together and work as one. It is this same spirit that led some to pull their resources together in order for them to attain their financial goals. This led to the birth of the first cooperative society. 2 centuries later, in the year 1977, right at the heart of the country's breadbasket, a group of teachers came together with the common goal of uplifting their financial status. The Sacco was initially registered as Trans Nzoia Teachers Sacco Society. It had a grand total of 200 members.
Mimi naitwa Jessica Zenga. Mimi ni mwalimu staff. Na mimi nilikuanga member wa Trans Nzoia Teachers Sacco Society. Nilijoin Trans Nzoia Teachers Sacco Society mwaka 1978. Na hii Trans Nzoia Teachers Sacco Society ilianza huo mwaka. Na walioanzisha Trans Nzoia Teachers Sacco ni NAT. Walienda Bungoma, wakapata NAT ya Bungoma, wana recruit teachers, wameanzisha hii kitu cha Sacco kule. So wakabeba that information from Bungoma wakakuja Trans Nzoia. Wakaona wacha waite walimu wale wako karibu, especially walitumia walimu wa municipality by then. Kitale was Kitale municipality. So tulikuwa na walimu wa municipality na walimu wa district. Wakakuja wakawaambia tumeenda Bungoma, tumeona Bungoma NAT imeanza kurecruit walimu wakuje pamoja, pesa zao ziwe zikipitia mahali pamoja, mtu akitaka loan anasaidiwa. Sasa walimu wale waliitwa kidogo, walikuja wakasema tuanzishe hii kitu, tunaona ni kizuri. Wakaanzisha hii kitu wakasema tukiite Moka. Moka ni kwa Kibukusi, I think inasema wake up. Wakaanzisha Moka. Wakasema tuiti Moka, wacha tuanzishe Moka. Sasa ni jina ya Kibukusu, wacha tutafute jina lingine. Ndio wakaita Trans Nzoia Teachers Sacco. Wakasema sasa tuwe na viongozi wale ambao wataendesha hii Sacco ambayo inaenda kuanzishwa. Wakachukua member number 1 James Sifuna akawa chairman of Trans Nzoia Teachers Sacco. The late Mr. Furaha akawa secretary. Tukakuwa na mwingine alikuwa anaitwa James Kirui akakuwa treasurer. Na tulikuwa na mzee mwingine is now the late. Those ones I'm talking about, they are the late. Then we had the late Mr. Sambasi, who was the chairman for credit committee. Because when they started, they said we must form a credit committee ile ambayo itadeal na giving out loans. Alafu wakasema now we have to say how much money is each teacher going to pay in form of shares. Sasa a share by that time used to be 20 shillings. Tulikuwa tunalipanga tu 20 shillings, na tukata kwa msha, wakaenda Nairobi wakatengeneza hiyo vitu. Sasa ukipata payslip inasema 20 shillings goes to the TNT. Sasa tulikuwa na 20 shillings tunalipa every month. Tukaendelea pesa tukawacha kwanza ziwe mingi ndio watu waanze kuchukua. Watu wakaanza kuchukua loans. Na loan ilikuanga the maximum used to be 1,000 shillings. Repayable in 3 months. Wanakata 300, 300, 300. Na interest ilikuwa 10%. So by then the Sacco started growing. And Mr. Sifuna as being the chairman alifanya kazi mingi sana. Wakatengeneza forms za kwenda nje, wakaanza recruiting of teachers. Hata mimi nilikuwa mmoja ambaye alikuwa recruited, lakini nilikuwa nyuma kidogo, nikasema hii kitu wanasema ima watakula pesa zetu. Mzee akaniambia, my husband was number 176. Akasema hapana, wacha tujue ni sisi peke yetu pesa zetu zitakakuliwa. Ndiye akakanimonzi mimi ndo nikakuwa member namba 625. Na our first employee alikuwa Hudson Wasike, alafu tukamuongezea Milimo is the late. Ndio tukaendelea, James akiendelesha hii Sacco ikaendelea. Wengine walipoona mtu anasema nimepewa 2000 shillings alone, nimetoa kwa Sacco, that one encourage teachers wakaanza kukuja na kujoin the Sacco. Tukasema hapana, hii shilingi 20 itakuwa kidogo sana, because sasa mtu akitaka loan mingi itakuwa ni, we raised it from 20 shillings to 100 shillings. Some teachers said hapana, wacha tuongeze iwe 4, tukasema hapana. So it was difficult by that time, wajua pesa ilikuwa kidogo sana. Lakini walimu tukakaa, tulikuanga tuna hold our meetings in Kitale Union Primary School. Hapo ndo tulikuanga with our annual general meeting every year. Sasa tulipoongezeka ina namba, tukasema now that place is small. Tulikuwa tunahaya sasa Ganthi Memorial Hall online moja. Hapo ndo tulikuwa tunafanyia mikutano zetu za annual general meeting. Wanatupea reports, how many members have got their loans, how many applicants wale bado pending wako hivi. Sasa tukaona hapana, tukiendelea hivi na 100 shillings and applicants wameanza kuwa wengi na check off system inakuja almost 90,000 and the demand is high, we have also to increase the shares. Wakaenda wakaambia teachers, wakakuwa na education days to the teachers, and teachers agreed to increase from 100 to 200 shillings. Wakaendelea. Sasa there was a time this management committee which was there, which was being headed by Sifuna, they were going in for an election. Ndio during 1990 ndio sisi tukachaguliwa new members. Tukaenda. Tulipoenda pale ndani tukasema hizi pesa, tukapata backlog ikaroll almost 900 members. Remittance from Nairobi is now 100,000 shillings. Ndio tukakaa na members, we went out educating members, they increased their shares from 200 to 1,000 shillings. Tulianzia kuna kaofisi hapo KFA. Ukienda KFA hii utaona kaofisi kako pale, ndio tulianzia our Sacco there in those offices. It was just 2 rooms. Ndio tukatoka pale tukaenda kwa Kitale Hotel. Tukapata pale a bigger offices sasa rooms, na tuka increase the employees. Sasa tukiwa pale tukatoka pale tukaenda Hussein building, there's another building in town, so we kept on moving like pastoralists. We became almost pastoralists, moving from one office to the other. Ndio tukipa pale Hussein, Tana akasema he wants to sell a building. We said why management committee kasema why can't we come up and buy that? So we sold the idea of having our own offices, our own building. Ndio tukanunua Tana Baka. Tukasema offices ziwe nyuma, tukasema why can't we start a bookshop for the teachers? So we started the teachers bookshop, so where teachers could come get books on credit, and we used to give them like a loan, and then the same is taken to Nairobi. Wanakata hizo pesa zile ambazo tuliwapea kwa vitabu kama loan. We said no, we should have our own now offices. That's why when tuliponunua mahali pale Sacco iko. But before we went there, we said our employees wanatoka mbalimbali na wako na shida. Tukasema wacha tununulie our employees plots in Kitale here. Ndio tukapata hii shamba ya Ukul, tukanunulia each employee tulimnunulianga 1/4 acre, and by that time they were just selling them at 58,000. Ndio tukawanunulia, wakanunua, wakajenga. We wanted them to stay almost at a central place. I was a delegate. Delegates came together and voted me as one of the members of the supervisory committee, and the late Mr. Ishmael Masinde akawa chairman, Mr. Mnyafuru akawa vice chairman of the Sacco, Mr. Linaka akawa treasurer, Mr. Puka akawa secretary. Tukaendesha hii Sacco from 1990 mpaka wengine, alafu tukakuwa na 1/3 rule. Mtu after 3 years anatoka, mwingine yani if you are doing well, your delegates will take you back. Wakiona ufanyi vizuri unatoka nje. Hasa tukakuwa na tukakuwa na zones, tukakuwa na municipal zone, tukakuwa na kwanza, tukakuwa na wapi, divide this county into zones. So every zone ilikuwa inaleta one member on management committee. Sisi hapa municipality tulikuwa tunatoa 2 members on the management and 1 on the supervisory. Achievements which we made, we bought Tnt Dt Saccoo, tukanunua plot hiyo where the nini is standing, where the new offices are standing now. Tulijenga hiyo almost, tukatumia 120 million shillings, but members bought shares in that building. Sacco itself has shares there, and members, almost 5,000 members wako na shares zao pale. And we used to make sure that January, before we give development loans, we give out school fees loans. So we used to give school fees loans sometimes twice in a year or once in a year. It depended on the money we are having. So even now, the FOSA we are having, when I was still a member on the board, we started that the FOSA thing. And I'm happy because the FOSA is really giving out loans, and the FOSA now, the Sacco is giving out interest mzuri. I have retired, but I'm still a member of the Sacco because my shares ziko pale, zinakuja every month. The pension ikitoka Nairobi inakuja pale na wanatoa shares, so I'm able to get a loan from there anytime I want a loan, even if it is the emergency or is what a loan if I want to do something big. Naenda wananipatia hii loan, nafanyia kazi ile nataka.
Hamjambo, mimi kwa majina naitwa Christopher Nyongesa, ni member wa Transnational Times Sacco. Ni membership number yangu ni 2281. By profession nimekuwa mwalimu. Nilianza kufunza 1984 na nimesha retire by 2017. Nikikuzia tu juu ya Sacco, the historical background yake ilianza 1977. Na wakati ilipoanza 1977, unajua hapa ni Trans Nzoia, a cosmopolitan area. Na wakati ilianza, kulikuwa na kitu kama, ilianza kama a group of people, wale Wabukusu walikuwa wamekaa pamoja wachache, alafu wakaona lazima waunde chama. Lakini wakati iliendelea, that was 1976, ilipofika 1977 wakabadilisha jina ndio kwa Trans Nzoia Teacher Sacco. Ilipoendelea mpaka nipo join mwaka ule wa 1984. Kabla hapo, sababu niliongea juu ya tribal, kulikuwa tu ni Waluya ndio walikuwa hapo, so watu walikuwa wameiona kama hiyo ni Sacco ya Waluya. Sasa ilikuwa shida kidogo wengine kutoka katika makabila mengine kuingia katika hicho chama. So hiyo ilikuwa ni challenge ya kwanza, why membership iligrow kidogo kidogo na haikuwa kubwa sana kwa sababu ya hiyo. Wakati hiyo mwaka tulipoingia, that was 1984-85, kulikuwa na changamoto nyingi sana. Na hiyo changamoto ya kwanza ilikuwa mtu kutafuta upate loan, ilikuwa shida. Shida ni kwamba watu walikuwa wanaangaliana, kama ujulikani, ujui mtu, hakunge wengi kupata loan. Kwa hivyo watu wengi walikaa bila kupata loan. Na hiyo ilikuwa ni challenge kubwa sana. Pia kwa upande wa mambo ya leadership ilikuwa pia chini. Mpaka wakati ulipofika kiwango chenye kiwa sasa, wakasema ya kwamba the whole county must be represented. Ndio wakaweka hizi tunaita colleges ama wakaweka divisions, such that kama kwa mfano pande huu tuwas ni Kwanza, kulikuwa na nyingine inaitwa Cherengani, kulikuwa na nyingine ilikuwa inaitwa Saboti, kuna nyingine ilikuwa municipality. Kwa hivyo hizo 4 ndio zilikuwa sasa zikaanza watu wanatoka katika hizo sehemu ili kuendesha society. Sasa ikaanza kugrow. So when in 1995 mimi nikaingia kwa management, na wakati tuliingia huko sababu tulikuwa tumejua the weaknesses ambazo zimekuweko, we tried to so much to change so that hata other tribes waingie ndani alafu pia tuone ya kwamba we are leading well, yani tusionekane ya kwamba tuna upendeleo mmoja. So we brought everybody on board such a way that we are providing, kama hiyo mambo ya loans, promptly people are getting it. Kama mambo ya sections, all sections were being taken care of. Kwa hivyo hiyo tukafanya wakati tuko katika hiyo management, na ndiposa hata nikafaulu nikapatiwa kuwa a Honorary Secretary. That was 1997, ambayo kazi hiyo pia tukafanya. Now the growth of the Sacco ikaanza kugrow, watu wakatoka karibu 3,000-4,000 wakaendelea mpaka tulifikisha 5,000 by that particular time. 1999 tukaintroduce salaries, yani sasa walimu waweze kupata mishahara yao kupitia kwa Sacco. That was a very big step. That's why huwa naipenda kuizungumzia, because even members of the management wengine, they were not ready. They were saying, how can these people pay? Si watashindwa kulipa mishahara. But then tulienda tukakampu in Nairobi, tukakampu huko, tukarudi huko, mpaka wakatukubalia kwamba tuko ready kurun a serialized society kama ya Trans Teacher Sacco. Kwa hivyo hapo hata ukienda katika mavitabu, I was member number 1, account number 1. Why did I? Sababu watu wengine walikuwa wameogopa, lakini kasema pana, let me show a good example by doing what, niwe kati ya wale watu wa kwanza. So watu walipoona kweli kumbe it is possible, ndio watu wengi wale ambao walikuwa wamesimama kwa fence wakaanza kuingia. Na wakati sasa tulipofanya mshahara inapopitia kwa society, it is now started improving the liquid of the society. How was it improving the liquid of the society? Sasa pesa zikiingia kabla hazijatoka, because watu wangechukua pesa zote, watu wangechukua pesa kidogo kidogo, lakini hizo zingine tunazichukua tunapatia watu kama loans, na pia zinazaa kitu kama interest. Na wakati zinazaa kitu kama interest ikiongezeka, manake sasa inafanya society pia kugain, because you see you are getting money from somewhere and we are giving it out. At the end of the month it's paying back. Kwa hivyo kajaribu kuimprove the society. Started now improving. It became now liquid. Another thing, ambayo pia another stage. Now when we brought in a marketing officer who was so good, and we were now started saying, why can't we go out from the teachers so that we get other people to join in? That's another area. Na tutafanyaje ili hawa watu waone kweli they are worthy also to be amongst the group members. Sasa tukasema jina kwanza. So ulipochenye jina, I was saying there's one of the employee alikuwa na marketing officer anaitwa Tom Mangendo, came up with the name. Then we used that name, Transnational Times Sacco, na tukalisamba. When we went out and then we brought other people in, pesa zikaanza kujaa wapi? Kwa Sacco. Na wakati zikaanza kujaa kwa Sacco, we are now able to disperse this money in form of loans to members. Many. Kwa hivyo from there, unaona, something now started now coming in. The society started getting money. Na wakati ilianza kupewa money, the interest started rising. And also membership grew, because you remember we had only 5,000. We came even up to 30,000. Because now inclusion of watu wa nje wakati walikuja ndani, then it was easier for the membership to rise.
In October 2011, the Sacco was registered by SASRA, and in the year 2012, it changed its name from Trans Teacher Sacco Society to Transnational Times Dt Saccoo. This ushered in a new era where the Sacco brought on board members from beyond Trans Nzoia County. It also opened the doors to other members of society, including non-teaching staffs in schools, business people, farmers, and even students.
My name is Hudson Wasike, the former General Manager, Trans Nzoia Teachers Sacco. Now, Transnational Times Sacco. I joined the Sacco on 10th of October 1980 as an accounts clerk. I met Mr. Sifuna, who was the chairman by then. They were young and energetic teachers. He used to teach at Kimondo Primary School on the mountain, but he was a member of the society. It meant that he was to come to the Sacco on daily basis. But given the distance, we used also to travel there. Our secretary was John Charles Barasa, who was a teacher at Bikeke Primary School. And the treasurer was Mr. Masungo Shadrach, who was a teacher at Manjalala Primary School. These three gentlemen, plus Mr. Fawa Songwa, cannot forget Fawa Songwa. Fawa Songwa was the vice chairman. These four gentlemen were the executive members of the Sacco, and therefore they used to come to the Sacco to approve loans. If not daily, every week, on a Saturday or Friday, they have to be in the Sacco to take care of the members' needs. We used to have loans like emergencies, school fees loans, development loans. Those were the common loans by then. And the members used to come, especially the most needy one, the commonest, was emergency. Somebody could have a sick person and rush to the Sacco, we give loans. We came to the other group when Mr. Sifuna left. The second chairman was Mr. Joram Sambasi. Mr. Sambasi, by good luck, was in Union Primary School, just in town. He used to be in the Sacco frequently, and we also had his secretary was Mr. James Kiiru Kariuki, who was also in town, and Mr. Masungo, who had moved to Kiminini Primary. The secretary was Mr. the late Fenwick Makawa, and Mr. The treasurer used to come from Cherengani. These people propelled the society. The society was growing, and they were also taking me for trainings. Cusco came in to assist in the management of the Saccos. Cusco came in with so many ideas of improving the Sacco operations. I remember I used to be taken for courses in Nairobi, Cusco, Mombasa, in Kampala, in Arusha, Tanzania, to train the management of Saccos. Through those trainings, I acquired from various institutions, especially the Cooperative College of Kenya. I was able to transition the society from what it was to better service delivery. Like what I would say, we used to be analog. We used to do things manually. Like a payroll could come from TSC and do the posting manually, member by member. It was a very tedious work. And because of what we went through, we computerized the Sacco. We bought a software from somewhere who assisted us. We used the TSC system to post the remittances to individual members' accounts. The staff, TNT Sacco staff, just like me, when I was going for trainings, I made it sure that I train my staff in all areas so that they enhance efficiency. I made sure that those who are in accounting department went for accountancy courses, be it full-time or part-time. Those who are in the management, I took them for management courses, especially at the Cooperative College of Kenya and the Cusco, the Union of Saccos. And over time, I rose through the ranks. There was a time I was a loans officer. I rose to the position of the supervisor. I came to the position of the deputy manager. And in 1989, I was promoted to the position of the general manager of the Sacco. The position of the general manager was the topmost, that was the highest position in the society. And therefore, I was doing almost all the roles that goes by the position. I retired in 2010, and from there, I came home to do my own business. The society, I would say, when I joined it, was a small institution. I went there when there were about 500 members, between 300 and 500 members. They were very small. It was a very small thing. But I left when the society was big. I would say I participated majorly in giving loans to our teachers who bought land, who built houses, who entered into businesses because of our Sacco. Teachers were able to pay school fees. Teachers were able to pay their medical bills from the Sacco. We brought in the issue of the banking activity, such that members, teachers who are members, could get loans from, apart from the Sacco loans, they could get commercial loans from the Sacco. And along the way, I would say our members have benefited greatly from the Sacco.
My name is Martin Masika Mnyaforo. I'm a retired civil servant, having been a teacher for some time and served as an inspector of schools with the Ministry of Education. I served in the position of an official of the then Transfer Teacher Sacco from 1990 to 2004. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the first KNUT group of members led by the late James Fra for fronting the idea of forming Transfer Teacher Sacco. To them, I give them thanks. God helped us as officials of the Sacco to understand that this Sacco was to uplift the lives of members, not ourselves. So we came up with loans that gradually uplifted the lives of members. Members, including myself, took their children to school because of the Sacco. They paid medical bills for their patients because of the Sacco. They bought land because of the Sacco. They built good, decent houses because of the Sacco. Over the time, I want to take this opportunity to thank the leaders who have been in that Sacco for coming up with projects that have helped alleviate the members. The first one was forming Trans Nzoia Teachers Housing Society in 1994 with the aim of helping the teachers who could not afford to buy land to get them on loans. In 1996, the Sacco also helped form Trans Nzoia Consumer Sacco with the aim of helping lady teachers to get access to household goods on credit terms, and to get all the members, to help all the members get farm inputs, building materials, and even get bicycles and motorbikes on loan material. I think the current leadership picked up on that and has done better than we did in 2004. It has come up with products that are helping even those of us who have retired access service without even going to the Sacco. Like, I want to name the Tulisa loan as one of those loans that is very easily accessible so long as your financial record is correct. I want to take this opportunity to sincerely request all those retirees like me and those young people to aspire to join the Sacco, because it can help you come out of a financial crisis like we're doing now. And the credit goes to the staff of the Sacco and the current management. I want to pray that God guides them to serve as they are doing. My prayer is that the Lord gives them good knowledge, good guidance, so that they continue making a name while serving God. To them, I say thank you so much.
Through the years, Transnational Times Dt Saccoo has transformed itself from a small institution into the renowned organization that it is today.
Previously, we were known as a Trans Nzoia Teachers Sacco, but we rebranded into Transnational Times Sacco so that we can accommodate not only teachers, but all Kenyans specifically with an economic live stream.
Transnational Times Dt Saccoo, tujitegemee kiuchumi. Choosing the Transnational Times Dt Saccoo offers a range of unique benefits and opportunities that set it apart from traditional financial institutions.
My name is Tom Nangendo, the marketing manager, Transnational Times Dt Saccoo. In the marketing department, we are charged with the responsibility of ensuring that members are aware about the products and services that are offered by the Sacco. And through this, we ensure that we have put up marketing programs that are elaborate to ensure that our members get our products and services wherever they are. We have a wide range of products, both in the savings and credit sections, that ensure that our members save and are able to get loans that can be able to enable them to improve their lives. As a matter of fact, our motto is tujitegemee kiuchumi. So we ensure that our members are self-reliant in the sense that when they are saving, they can be able to take care of their livelihoods and empower themselves. Our vision is to be a world-class financial service provider, and our mission is to promote a savings culture and responsible credit use for economic empowerment of our members. There are several benefits members of Tnt Saccoo enjoy, and one of the benefits is that there's a sense of ownership. As members of the Sacco, they can be able to have a sense of ownership where they buy a stake in the running of the Sacco. Secondly, as they save, we give them a savings avenue that now enables them to develop a savings culture that can be able to ensure that they accumulate savings that can be able to rely on later in the years. And also, as they save, they don't save in vain. We also give them a return on their investment in terms of the dividends that we pay on their share capital and interest that we pay on their deposits. This we have done annually, and our rates are very competitive. As members continue to save, they get access to loans. We have various loan products that can enable members to be able to take care of their financial needs. These loan products are given at very affordable interest rates compared to what is being offered in the market. Also, we ensure that our services are accessible through proximity of our contact points, so that members can be able to see that they are getting services at their convenience. And as we do that, we ensure that the welfare of our members is catered for by ensuring that we take care of them through the risk management and benevolent program that ensures that members are able to take care of their needs when they need to be taken care of, when they have some challenges in their lives. So I just want to urge the public to be able to join the Sacco so that they can be able to enjoy the services that we are offering, because we exist to ensure that members are economically empowered so that they can be able to take care of their lives. Thank you for joining Transnational Times Sacco, because that is where you belong.
Here are some compelling reasons why individuals might consider choosing the Transnational Times Dt Saccoo for their financial needs. Financial inclusion. By embracing diversity, the Sacco caters to members from different backgrounds, fostering an environment where everyone feels valued and empowered to achieve their financial goals.
Mimi naitwa Paul Barasa Namonyo. Ni mwalimu wa EZDE. Nilipoajiriwa mwaka wa 2016, niliingia katika TNT Saccoo, Transnational Times Sacco Kitale. Nikapewa loan ya kwanza, karibu loan. Alafu nikapewa pia school fees loan ambayo imenisaidia kwa kusomesha watoto wangu kwa njia iliyo rahisi kabisa. Baadaye nikaomba loan ya kubwa ambayo inaitwa preferential loan ambayo imenisaidia kununua posho meal. Na hii posho meal inanisaidia mahitaji madogo madogo kama chumvi, sukari kwa sababu ya familia yangu. Vile vile nilichukua part of that money nikanunua pikipiki ambayo inanipeleka shule, inanirudisha. Sasa jambo ambalo ningependa kuhimiza wenzangu ambao pia wanaweza kuwa na nia ya kujiendeleza kimaisha. Saa hii banka inashughulikia kila mtu, kila aina ya mtu ambaye ana sababu ya kutaka kujiendeleza kimaisha.
Financial education. Beyond traditional banking services, the Sacco places a strong emphasis on financial education. Through workshops and other resources, members expand their financial literacy and make informed decisions on their money.
Hello everyone, my name is Harrison Kinyuanjeri, currently working with Tnt Dt Limited. First and foremost, I want to thank my employer who has really assisted me in enabling myself to be at the Transnational Times Sacco, which is in Kitale. I want to say thank you for the Sacco. Since I knew about the Sacco, it was in 2017, around February, when I learned it from my friend that there is a Sacco here, and I decided to join it. From then, a lot of benefits from Sacco which I had not learned, even as comparing to banks and other sources of giving funds, I came to learn that is the best. I want to appreciate the Sacco that it has really given us a lot of products which personally I've enjoyed by using them. I've taken one of which is called emergency loan. When I needed some emergency cash that I could not access of up to 50,000 plus, so I was able to go and get it. It assisted me to sort out some domestic issues which I had. Later on I had to take premium loan. Premium loan is a bit higher than emergency, which I saw that it will assist me to sort out my other issues in relating to my own growth. So that was the second product that I took, and that it really assisted me. After having all that, I tested what the Sacco is offering. Now I wanted to advance to a better thing that I will do better. So I went up and upgraded up my shares very well, and I reached up almost 300,000, whereby I had to take up to around 500,000, whereby I was doing construction of my house, and I thank God by then I was only 29 years. So one thing I can say, I have been really assisted by the Sacco to ensure, together with my employer, who has really assisted me that.
Flexible services. The Sacco offers a range of financial products and services, including savings accounts and loans. This versatility ensures that you can tailor your financial strategies to meet your specific needs.
My name is Cynthia from Kiminini, a member of TNT. I joined TNT last year, 2022. I saved with TNT for about 3-4 months, which enabled them to give me a loan, a premium loan, which helped me to buy an electronic weighing machine, the updated one, and I increased my business. Because my business has grown and expanded, I've managed to have 2 workers. And on top of it, their pay bill number has helped me to increase the business, because people can pay from even where they are, and then I deliver the stuff and the goods, of which I'm hoping, by the grace of God, by next year, which I'm almost finishing the loan, I take a larger amount, which will enable me to buy the computers, the machine, because I want to put a supermarket. Thank you, TNT, for your good support, for making my vision even grow. I'm hoping to do with you many more years. And all I can say, welcome, welcome, Mama Mbogas. You will not regret.
Future ready. The Sacco's forward-thinking approach to technology and innovations means that it's constantly evolving to meet the changing needs of its members. This adaptability positions it for success in an increasingly digital and interconnected world.
My name is Sylvia Wano. I'm a business development officer, call center. Our main duty as a department is to receive phone calls from our clients and give them necessary information they require, either directly from the department or from the line managers. We also make phone calls to our customers, informing them of our new products and also doing a follow-up on how they were served. We welcome you to join Transnational DT Sacco. We are here to serve you.
Transnational Times DT Saccoo, tujitegemee kiuchumi. In line with our mission to make financial services available to every member, no matter where they are, Transnational Times DT Saccoo harnessed the power of technology, bringing banking to members' fingertips through our alternative channels.
While we do the marketing activities, we also ensure that our members are able to leverage on technology to ensure that the services that they are receiving can be able to be received on the digital platform, of course, apart from the physical branches. Through this, we have a mobile banking platform whereby you dial *477# and you can be able to get our services from the comfort of your home 24 hours, 7 days a week throughout the year. Together with this, we also have what we call a Sacco Link ATM card that enables our members to get services through Visa branded outlets countrywide and even worldwide, so that they can be able to get services or to buy goods and services without necessarily carrying hard cash around them.
Our alternative channels are user-friendly and allow members to comfortably conduct transactions, check balances, and even apply for loans with ease. Transnational Times DT Saccoo, tujitegemee kiuchumi. Furthermore, Transnational Times DT Saccoo demonstrated its commitment to social responsibility, engaging in projects that improved lives in the community.
Apart from just giving loans to members, we have also given back to the society We've been supporting patients in hospitals. For example, we have been contributing wheelchairs to Trans Nzoia County Referral Hospital. We have even given wheelchair to Tendebes, Sub-County Hospital, and even Saboti. And even more recently, we went all the way to Lodwar and contributed some foodstuffs to our neighbors who are suffering. And I'm glad that our members came in very strongly and gave out some money, which we used to purchase some maize, and we went and distributed around 150 bags of maize in Turkana County, and that is a plus to our membership. I'm happy to even mention that we have been supporting our schools. For example, we supported volleyball girls for Kezogon Secondary School, Trans Nzoia County, and we are happy to mention that there have been champions, national champions for volleyball, and they represented our country in Rwanda.
Transnational Times Dt Saccoo, tujitegemee kiuchumi. The impact of the Sacco rippled through the community. The economic well-being of families was lifted. Children gained access to education, and dreams that seemed distant became attainable.
Emmanuel Sikuku Changalwa, a member of Transnational Times Sacco. I joined this Sacco in the year 1989. I've been a member of this Sacco for the last 35 years. Therefore, I'm one of the old members of the Sacco. Transnational Times Sacco has been very crucial, very important to us as a family. It has enabled me to educate my children, whereby I have taken almost 5 of my children into the universities, colleges, quite a number. So I'm proud to be a member of Transnational Times Sacco. I've enjoyed taking loans, the normal loans, preferential loans, school fees loans, and other products. At home, we put up a house worth around 3 million shillings, and that money, all the money that we used on that house came from Tnt Saccoo. We took about 8 years to put up that house. So we used to take loans when they're over. We take we took loans continuously until the house was complete. Today we enjoy staying in that house, and it's also a pride to the family. Apart from that, we also took a loan from the Sacco. We bought land, 2 acres. That land is also helping us because we plant sugarcane in addition to what the family gave us, so we have enough land for ourselves, and we are proud of Tnt Saccoo. Apart from the house at home, we used the same money. We put up some houses around, beginning with this one of ours. Though it was built a long time ago, but the money we used on that house came from the Tnt Saccoo. After settling, we thought it wise to expand our land. The land that we have here was not enough. So the Tnt Saccoo gave me money again. I bought the plot, it's just here, a quarter an acre to add to what we had, a quarter an acre. So we enjoy staying on a half an acre plot, courtesy of Tnt Saccoo. Realizing that we had enough land, we started now the construction, venturing into rental houses. God has been on our side. We have put up some houses there, and we have also put up some houses here. These are self-contained houses. There are 4 units. It's a 2-bedroom house, sitting room, a kitchen, then the washrooms. We are proud that this block has taken us about 4 million shillings. courtesy of TNT Sacco.
Mimi ni Jeremiah Barasa wa Kape. Hapa nilipo ni kwangu, ni Kipsai na Bondeni B. Niliajiriwa mwaka wa 79 kama mwalimu asiyehitimu, wale wanaita youth and trained teacher. Wakati huo Sacco ndio ilikuwa imeanza, na ndugu ya babangu Joram Lisa Mbasi alikuwa mwenyekiti wa pili baada ya Sifona. Kwa hivyo akaniambia, baba, kuja ujiunge na hii Sacco, na nikajiunga na Sacco mwaka wa 79. Mchango wa kila mwezi tulikuwa natoa shilingi 20 tu kila mwezi. Nikaendelea kuchanga hiyo shilingi 20 kwa hii miaka kama 5 hivi, na nikaenda hiyo Sacco nikapewa shilingi 6,000. Hizo 6,000 nikaenda nikanunua shamba. Nilikuwa nafundisha upande wa Senda Kwanza KFM. Shule ilikuwa inaitwa Mlimani Primary School. Nikapata pale shamba ya eka 3 kwa shilingi 6,000. Kwa hivyo kutoka dhamana 6 tukaendelea kuchanga hiyo shilingi 100 kila mwezi, na kufika mwaka wa 90 nikaenda kubadilisha ile shamba ilikuwa kule KFM. Nikakuja nikanunua penye niko hapa, nikakopa tena shilingi kule Sacco, nikaongeza kwa zile kidogo nilikuwa nimepata kwa ile shamba la kwanza. Kwa hivyo hili shamba kwa ujumla liko eka 4.5, na litokana na mchango ule nilikuwa nimeekeza kule Trans Nzoia Teachers Sacco. Kuja karibu 2007 hivi, mtoto wangu wa kwanza akawa amejiunga na St. Anthony. Nilikuwa nachukua pesa kila Disemba, nalipia karo ya mwaka mzima. Kwa hivyo kwa ujumla watoto wangu wote wako 5. Nilikuwa wakiwa shuleni nachukua loan kila Disemba, vile hata wametumia ujumbe wanapeana school fees ya September. Kwa hivyo walikuwa wanatukumbusha hivyo. Nilikuwa nachukua Disemba alafu nawalipia karo ya mwaka mzima, na wote wako kazini. Hii nyumba unayoiona hivi, wakati niling'atuka 2017 nilikuwa nimeegeza pia kwa housing. Nikawaambia, bwana, sasa wana mimi nimestaafu, zile pesa ziko hapa kidogo, mnaweza kunisaidia. Kwa hivyo kanirejea zile pesa zilikuwa TNT housing. Nikakuja nikaweka hii nyumba unaona. Hivyo ndivyo vile nimefaidika na Sacco. Nimesaidia kutafuta wanachama wa kujiunga na Sacco, haswa wale walimu ambao wamehitimu na wamepewa barua ya kujiunga na shule ya primary ama ya secondary. Kulikuwa na kitu kinaitwa karibu loan, wengi hawakujua. Kwa hivyo nilikuwa nachukua hawa walimu, tunaenda nao TNT, wakishaona hiyo barua na wanampea ile pesa anataka ile anataka atumie ile aanzie nayo kazi. Kwa hiyo njia moja nimesaidia wale watu najua, ama wanafunzi wangu wale nifunza, nikaona pia wamekuwa walimu. Nilikuwa nawaelekeza Sacco, wanakuwa members wa Sacco kupitia karibu loan.
Transnational Times DT Sacco's role went beyond finances. It became a hub for community development, fostering a sense of unity and shared progress.
Hello everybody, my name is Stephen Makari, a long-serving teacher and among the founder members of Transnational Times Sacco. We started it as Trans Nzoia Teachers Sacco those days, and I've had a lot of benefits from Transnational Times Sacco. Among my first loans, I bought a piece of land around here in Wehonye. I've had to buy another land, those sides of Kiminini, and even a plot. And this one here is my flagship project. I call it Mazuri Business Center. I acquired it using a loan from Transnational Times Sacco, where I took what we call premium loan. And I was able to purchase this one recently at 2.4 million here at Toll Station. And I call it Mazuri Business Center. I'm very grateful to Transnational Times Sacco that they have given us facilities as teachers, and if you save regularly and then you borrow prudently and you can be able to invest, I believe an investment like this one here will bring the returns I require. And among the benefits I've had from Transnational Times Sacco, the loans I've had, I've also been able to give back to society. I've paid fees for my sibling brothers. I've paid fees for my own children. There's a young man who is a procurement officer somewhere, and even an auditor in this county. I'm very grateful to that. We have had to organize ourselves. We have even used this money to purchase a vehicle which helps us moving around very comfortably. I'm very grateful indeed to the Transnational Times Sacco. I've had to work in Transnational Times Sacco also as the founding delegate at the Transnational Times Sacco. So I participated in what it is and what I am. So I am Transnational Times Sacco. Transnational Times Sacco is partly me also. I'm very grateful.
My names are John Barasa Namaru. I'm a member of Transnational Times Sacco, Kitale branch. I joined in the year 2013 June, and since I started using the Sacco, it has helped me a lot. I decided from my payslip or my salary to save a monthly deposit of 10,000 every month. Then after 2 years, from 2013 to 2015, I made to take the first loan of 200,000 shillings and invested in farming. Then from the process of farming, I sold everything from the farm produces. Then I bought a plot in 2017, Jesamis. Then after that, I paid that loan very fast for 3 years. Then I took a second loan in 2017, whereby I decided to build this plot from the sale of those produce. Then by also adding a top-up loan from what I had, because I was almost finishing it, because my shares were over 300,000. Then also in 2021, the benefits or the sale from the produce of sugarcane, mainly sugarcane, then maize plantation. Also it has helped me a lot to develop my plot more, which I'm giving or I'm renting at 6,000 shillings every month. That's 2-bedroom houses.
Transnational Times Dt Saccoo became a catalyst for personal growth, enabling members to pursue dreams and aspirations they might not have dared to otherwise.
Jina langu ni Nafula Wekesa, manager Kwanza Friends Academy, member wa Tnt Saccoo.
Jina langu naitwa Mwalimu Titus Wekesa Mkerule, mkurugenzi wa shule ya Kwanza Friends Academy, na pia ni mwalimu mkuu wa shule ya Milima. Kando na hilo mimi pia ni mwanahisa katika shirika la Tnt Saccoo Kitale, na nimepata manufaa mengi sana kutokana na shirika hili. Nilijiunga na shirika hili mwaka wa 1988 nikiwa kijana barubaru, na baada ya miaka miwili nilichukua mkopo mdogo hivi nikiwa chini ya wazazi wangu, nikaanza kuwalea kuku. Baada ya kuwalea kidogo hivi wakawa wananipa tija, nikafurahika kidogo, nikapata faida ambayo iliniwezesha hata kuwekeza zaidi. Baada ya kuwekeza nilirudi tena kwa sababu mchovya asali hachovi mara moja. Niliporudi huko nikachukua normal loan ya 50,000. Hizo 50,000 ziliniwezesha kununua shamba ekari 3 kwa wakati huo. Nilipolipa nikamaliza, nilirudi huko tena. Baada ya kurudi huko nikapewa 1,100 ambazo ziliniwezesha kununua kinu cha kusagia unga na kufanya biashara. Kinu hicho pia kilinifaidi kwa sababu kiliniwezesha kufanya mambo mengi ambayo huenda nikiyataja sintamaliza kwa leo. Lakini hata hivyo, baada ya kumaliza kinu hicho ambacho bado niko nacho, nilirejea tena huko na nikapewa mkopo wa shilingi nusu milioni. Hizo hela ziliniwezesha kununua kipande cha ardhi eka 3 katika shamba la Maridadi. Kisha nikaanza kulilima shamba hilo huku nikichukua mikopo midogo midogo ambayo iliniwezesha kulima mahindi, kulima maharagwe ili kupata fedha zaidi. Baada ya kuridhika na fedha nilizokuwa nazo, nilienda nikawa na fikra na familia yangu kwamba tuanzishe shule ya msingi. Kwa kudra za Mwenyezi Mungu tuliweza kuanzisha shule ya Kwanza Friends mwaka 2007. Shule hiyo imeendelea vizuri, imeendelea kinawiri, imefaidi kijiji cha Maridadi, hasa Maridadi, Kobos, Kwanza, Koros na viunga vyake. Kando na hapo, tumewekeza sana katika shule hii kwa sababu kufikia sasa shule hii ni yenye mabweni, na kulingana na zile hela tulizokuwa tunazipata kutoka kule, zimetuwezesha pia kubuni na kuanzisha chuo cha kuwaelimisha walimu wa chekechea ambao pia wamefanya vizuri na hata wengine wameajiriwa na kaunti. Trans Nzoia Sacco imetusaidia sana, imenitoa katika ngazi ya mwalimu ambaye anadharauliwa, walimu wa shule za msingi. Imenitoa katika sehemu hiyo, ikanipa jina nzuri kuitwa mkurugenzi, na pia naweza kusema mimi ni milionea, manake hela nilizo nazo sio zile zinazotokana na mshahara wangu, bali kutokana na pesa ambazo nilipewa na shirika hili. Hivi karibuni naenda kustahafu, na sina shaka kwa sababu Trans Nzoia Teachers Sacco imeniwezesha kuniweka pahali ambapo sina shida kwa hali yoyote ile.
Kwa majina ni Simiyu Brigid, Head Teacher Kwanza Friends Academy. Mimi ni member. Ninawahimiza walimu, wanabiashara na hata pia wazazi wajiunge na hii Sacco ili waweze kusave, yani kuwekeza. Itaweza kuwasaidia wanafunzi wao wakati anafika shule za upili, haizi kuwa na ule muda au wa kutafuta au kuhangaika akitafuta hela kwa sababu ashawekeza kitambo.
My name is Sophie Wanjiko. I'm a member of Tnt Sacco and a business person at Kachibora, Cherangani constituency. I joined Tnt in the year 2020. So far, so good. As a business person, I cannot complain. Tnt has a lot of benefits. One is dividends, and 2 are loans. And the third one is you're being given a pay bill. When you use their pay bill, your money as a business person just goes to the account at Tnt Sacco. So as a business person, I'm enjoying their services. Like a loan, there's a time I took a loan from Tnt Sacco. It improved my business massively. I took the loan and I completed paying it well. Their services are perfect. And since I benefited as a person, I also introduced some of my friends to Tnt. And not only friends, even family members. My husband is also a member of Tnt, And my mom is also a member of TNT. So far so good. My mom has also benefited from them. She was given a huge amount of money from TNT. At first she was doubting. She thought that TNT was not going to help her. But so far so good. She has benefited. She was given a huge amount of money. It supported her business, and we thank God for that.
I want to take this opportunity to thank our members who have patronized with this institution to create a pool of wealth in terms of savings that has made it possible for various people to invest. And not just investing, it has provided employment, it has provided learning opportunities both to the members and even to the students. We have students here on attachment who are also sons and daughters of our members.
Transnational Times Dt Saccoo, tujitegemee kiuchumi. At Transnational Times Dt Saccoo, our aim is to provide you with the best financial services and support. To ensure the seamless functioning of our cooperative, we have established several departments dedicated to specific aspects of our operations. Furthermore, they are staffed by qualified and experienced personnel, ensuring that you experience world-class service provision.
I'm Tnt Dt Saccoo, the Finance Manager, Transnational Times Sacco. In our accounts department, we will usually make sure that all the payments to our suppliers, our members, and even the premiums are efficiently paid to the respective bodies. Especially for insurance, we pay premiums, whereby we insure our loans and shares, so that when a customer dies or a member dies, we have to pay the funeral rider. Being for a child of a member, it is 10,000. A spouse is 30,000, who is not a member. Then a member herself or himself, he pays 50,000. Then we make sure that all our customers' records or all our members' records are up to date. We usually update our customers' accounts by posting all the shares, all the share deposits, and the share deposits that a member contributes on monthly basis, and the loans that are paid on monthly basis, so that we are up to date with the customer records. When you are employed by the Sacco and you have your qualifications in accounting or any other, you are also taken for refresher courses. That is, it can be in-house or part-time with another institution or full-time.
My name's CPA Henry Wetosi. I'm the Internal Auditor, Transnational Times Sacco. Basically, the Internal Audit Department is an oversight department that oversees the organization procedures and the activities that are done on each and every department. My role as an internal audit are as follows. First, I have to develop the internal audit program for the organization, which I use it to run my daily activities in the audit department. I also oversee the controls procedures of the organization. Other role that I play in my organization is to safeguard the organization assets. As an audit officer, I report administratively to the CEO and directly to the board. I always issue my reports on a quarterly basis. That is through the audit committee.
Okay, I'm Maureen Wasike. I'm the FOSA manager of Transnational Times Sacco. And FOSA means front office. That is, we deal with customers directly. And in FOSA, there are two activities that happens there. One, we do customer services. That is, we open accounts, the front office accounts and then the back office accounts, that is for share contribution. We also issue statements upon customers' request. We also do ATM printing, that is printing of ATM cards and then issuance of pins. We do mobile registration and pin resetting. We also do effecting of pay points upon request. And then the other activity is the tailoring activity, which entails cash deposit, that is for loan repayment, and then for share contribution. And then there is a cash withdrawal, that is upon the request of the customer. We also receive and scan checks on daily basis. We also do fixed deposit. My main duty as the FOSA manager is to oversee what is going on basically at the customer care desk and the tailoring processes. What is going on is to monitor and ensure that all is well. And then I also monitor cash movement, that is the physical cash, and then the floats, that is on M-banking platform, and then the M-Pesa floats.
Hi, this is Flodin Madadi Care. This is a credit evaluation office where we do all the loans application and we ascertain whether the member qualifies for those products which he requires according to their ability.
My name is Mrs. Evelyn Nyongesa. Welcome to Transnational Times Dt Saccoo. I'm in charge of credit disbursement. My role is to ensure that the credit policies and procedures are followed. So after the member has been appraised and evaluated at the appraisal stage, they are forwarded to my desk, and it is here where I ensure that the member's account is credited with the loan. Our role as Transnational Times Dt Saccoo is to ensure our members' lives are uplifted by taking loans, and our loans are at affordable interest rates, so we encourage you to take the loans. And we normally ensure that members' loans are credited on time. I encourage all our members to come, save, and access our loan products to improve their life standards.
My name is Joycelyn Azenga, Credit Recovery Manager, Transnational Times Sacco. At Credit Recoveries Department, our main task is to recover loans and capital mobilization. Here, we deal with share contribution account, where once a member has joined us, he must be remitting his monthly shares on time. So ours is to make sure this member is remitting his monthly subscriptions on time. So our main aim is to reduce the dormant accounts we are having at the Sacco. By doing this, this will make the Sacco have finances so that we keep on loaning our members. So as a department, this department is the core part of the Sacco, because from this department is where we get finances that now we keep on loaning our members, and then they get these loans on time. So mine is to encourage members to come and save with us. By saving with us, this member will have savings, enough savings that will enable him or her to acquire a loan, a credit facility. And also to members, mine is to encourage you, once you are given a loan, pay on time, so to avoid the wrangles between the Sacco and you member, because as you borrow a loan, you are entering into a loan contract with the Sacco.
Transnational Times Dt Saccoo, tujitegemee kiuchumi. Transnational Times Dt Saccoo is poised to continue its transformative journey, leveraging innovation and collaboration to shape the financial landscape.
Currently, we have more than 23,000 members with active of over 10,000 members, drawn from teachers, civil servants, disciplined forces, business people, and the county employees, so as to the mama boga and the youth. Basically, we deal with the savings and credit. That is our business as a cooperative, and we encourage members to join so that they can save. From the economics perspective, you cannot beat poverty without savings. You save, invest, then you improve your wealth. That is how economics work. But more and above all, in a cooperative, we believe that in joining together, as we join together, we increase the chances, or we ride on the economies of scale. So, as I've said earlier, what we are doing basically is savings and credit. And at the moment, we have partnered with our members in providing credit, and as at now, the one that is largely applied for, and actually the one that is controlling the biggest number when it comes to a loan portfolio, is one called preferential. This preferential loan is repayable in 72 months, and it avails the member an opportunity to pay a loan over a longer period, thus enabling this member to repay the loan comfortably. And also, as he repays the loan comfortably, because it's multiplied by 4, it gives him an opportunity to plow back the savings, that is the dividends, at the end of the year, so as the interest. And this enables him to grow his savings at an exponential rate compared to others who just save monthly. Because when we declare our dividends, for example, if somebody is to get like 100,000 and he plows back that amount, then his or her shares grows at a higher rate, thus accumulating more wealth for himself. So we normally advise members to do that, and more so if you want to do a project that significantly calls for a higher amount of money, then it's the most preferred product to undertake.
The Sacco's expansion will be characterized by a balanced approach, ensuring that growth aligns with its values and mission while maintaining stability and member satisfaction.
We also currently, I think by the end of the year or so, we are working on a platform to encourage them, or to make it possible for members to co-guarantee without necessarily physically moving to the guarantor. I think we have realized that that is one of the major setback in our credit business. So we want to enable through technology where members can easily send to each other messages, and they just guarantee each other. More so, that platform will enable somebody just to guarantee himself if he has sufficient savings on his account, thus making it a bit speedier for somebody to get the loan compared to the current situation where they're supposed to move around with the forms to physically guarantee. We also want to enable members to get more facilities on the mobile phone. Currently they are getting a facility, but just 1 or 2. but we want to increase the number of facilities they can get on mobile phone, so that they can even maybe not just the number, but even the amount of money they are able to get on through the mobile phone.
I, as the chairman, I have a dream that by the time I leave this organization, I must have driven this organization to 5 billion. Right now we are at 2.5, but I'm hopeful that with the support of members, we are going to reach an asset base of 5 billion. I'm happy that the current board of directors that I'm having are equal to the task. They have what it takes to take this institution to another level.
Transnational Times Dt Saccoo, tujitegemee kiuchumi. As time went on, the membership grew beyond Trans Nzoia, and so the Sacco set out to establish branches in different areas, each serving as a hub of financial progress. Transnational Times Dt Saccoo is headquartered at Teachers Plaza in Kitale Town, with branches located in the following areas: Endebess, Kachibora, Kiminini, and a field office in Turukana.
We have 4 branches, one in Kitale, in Endebess, in Kachibora, in Kiminini, and we have a field office in Lodwar to ensure that our members are able to get the services from wherever they are.
Hello our members, my name is Jack Matenge. I'm the branch manager for Transnational Times Sacco Kiminini branch. The Tnt Sacco Kiminini branch is located along Kitale, Webuye Road, next to Kwesa Resort. Mainly we enjoy our membership from the teachers within the sub-county of Kiminini and the business people and also the farmers. The reason why the Sacco saw it fit for opening this branch is because they wanted to bring these services closer to the members, whereby members used to visit the main office in Kitale town to get the services, but now they can access the services next to their doorstep. I urge the entire community within Kiminini sub-county to come and join us so that they can get the services offered at Transnational Times Sacco. Transnational Times Sacco, tujitegemee kiuchumi.
Transnational Times Dt Saccoo, tujitegemee kiuchumi. Are you ready to be part of something great? Welcome to Transnational Times Dt Saccoo and redefine your financial journey.
So I want to call upon our members to give us support and even to call upon other people who are not necessarily teachers, maybe members of the press, members of the fourth estate, and the members of the county government. I'm happy that our governor, Mr. George Natembeya, recently walked in and signed a form and is now a member. And I'm happy that the other county employees will follow suit. I also want to call upon our MPs, the members of county assembly, to come and become, because this is the only homegrown financial institution that is very stable. And I want to call upon everybody to come and become a member of this organization. I also want to take this opportunity to thank our partners, and more particularly Cusco. Cusco has actually been standing with us when it comes to maybe financing members. Sometimes the demand for loans becomes so high, and that's why our partners like Cusco have always come in and supported us, and I want to give them a plus. And I also want to thank KETSA, Kenya Teachers Sacco Association, which has been capacity building our board of directors and even staff. And more so the SASRA, the Sacco Societies, a regulatory authority, for the good work they're doing. Now that the society is regulated, I'm happy to report that we are very stable financially.
we really appreciate our membership for what they have done for this society. And we want to encourage them, to even encourage some more to join as members of this institution. We want to achieve and we want to live our vision of being the best financial service provider worldwide. And we can only do this by them, our members, supporting us as we support them. Long live TNT.
Transnational Times DT Sacco. Tujitegemee kiuchumi.
For queries, visit our head office at Teachers Plaza in Kitale or our branches in Endebess, Kachibora, Kiminini or Turkana. Contact us on 0712 585 874 or our call center 0111 050 510. Email us at info@tntsacco.co.ke. To check out our products and services, visit our website www.tntsacco.co.ke. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube to get the latest information. Transnational Times DT Saccoo. Tujitegemee kiuchumi.